Hello, good morning, students. Hope everyone is healthy at home, and I hope that you all are paying attention to what all your teachers are sending throughout the week. Don't worry, very soon I'm going to declare a break of few days for you all so that you can rest and again begin with a fresh mind. So, my dear students, we move on to the English, that is 1.3 on the wings of courage. Last week I had explained you all the full chapter and I had given you all some assignments to complete. This week I will recapitulate, or I will revise, or I will summarize the chapter once again for you, and then remaining part of your English workshop and lots of word meanings I will give it to you as an assignment so that we complete 1.3, that is 3 parts of unit 1. Okay, so my dear students, we were doing the chapter that is on wings of courage. I'll just summarize this chapter for you. Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh, the only officer to attain the highest rank in India's military history, who has made a monumental contribution in transforming Indian Air Force into one of the most potent air force globally. Arjun Singh began his career as a member of RIAF Squadron, that is Royal Indian Air Force. His most outstanding feats including overpowering a better equipped Pakistani Air Force in 1965 war, leading a squadron against the Japanese during Arakan campaign, etc. Arjun Singh was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross in 1944. After a training in the Royal Staff College of UK, he was appointed as AOC in Sea of Operational Command. Towards the end of 1962 war, he became the Vice Chief of the Air Staff. He was the first Air Chief to keep his flying currency till his CAS rank. Having flown away 60 types of aircrafts, Singh was awarded Padma Vibhushan for his astute leadership of Air Force. Singh remaining an inspiration to all, being the first and only 5-star rank officer with Indian Air Force. So my dear students, this is basically a very small summary of what Mr. Arjun Singh did for India, and on the basis of his work, how he was awarded various kinds of awards, what was his basic story, how he was able to lift up the dignity of Indian Air Force all over the world. He worked for different nations also, but main he was a part of the Indian Air Force. Okay, my dear students. So after this video, I will be also sending to you a lot of worksheets of English workshop. Some part we have done. Okay, I think so. We have done English workshop 1, English workshop 2. We will be doing now with the third part, that is fill in the web, and some other parts which I will send to you all in the form of worksheets. So my dear students, keep completing your work. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself and your family.